Here's an update from Kopplin, Kuebler, and Wallace.
Treesdale Golf and Country Club, nestled in Gibsonia, Pennsylvania, just north of Pittsburgh, seeks an experienced leader to take the reins as the next general manager. This individual should come from a hospitality or club background with hands-on experience. Treesdale is a premier full-service club where the crown jewel is a stunning, meticulously renovated 27-hole Arnold signature golf course, where members enjoy enhanced playability and the enriched overall experience on these scenic and challenging holes. The club is finishing a multi-million-dollar transformation aimed at elevating the overall member experience. This renovation includes upscale dining at the newly renovated Arbor, a resort-style pool complex, and a forthcoming state-of-the-art fitness center. The investment is designed to foster a vibrant community where families connect, memories are made, and relaxation is redefined. Salary is open and commensurate with qualifications and experience. For a complete position profile and application instructions, consult the Kopplin, Kuebler, and Wallace website under current openings.
For more information, visit kknw.com.